Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to track the performance of your Zeely ads. So Zeely makes ad performance tracking incredibly straightforward, especially for beginners. Once your ad is live, you can log into your Zeely's dashboard to see a real-time overview of how it's doing. The dashboard displays the key performance metric like impression, and also you can see the click, the conversion, the click-through rate, which is the CTR, and all spends all in one interface. So each campaign has its own stats. So if you were running a simple ads, you can compare them side by side to see which one is driving the best results. So Zeely also highlight high performance creative and automatically suggest which ads are doing well, so you can focus your budget on what's working. And also, there's no need to jump between platforms like Facebook, Google to gather data. Zeely pull all the results in one place, which saves your time. For deeper insight, you can click into a specific campaign to see performance breakdown by platform, creative, and audience type. And since Zeely use AI, it doesn't just show the numbers, it also adapts your campaign strategy behind the scene. So if one version of your ad is outperforming others, Zeely will shift more budget to that version automatically.